Replacing the rotor. Following are the SAF P89 rotor replacement procedures. After having removed the ABS sensor and head unit from the spindle, you can now replace the rotor. To remove the rotor from the head unit, use a size 15/16 inch socket to loosen and discard all 10 connection bolts and washers. Clean the rotor contact surfaces on the head unit. Using compressed air, clean the tapped holes in the hub. Check to make sure the threads are undamaged. Before attaching the new rotor, inspect the wheel bolts on the hub and replace any damaged bolts. Only replace bolts that are damaged or in need of replacement. Remove the wheel bolts by pressing them out of the head unit and discard them. Install new wheel bolts by pressing them into the head unit. Now attach the new rotor to the hub using 10 new bolts and washers supplied in the rotor kit. Using a torque wrench, tighten the bolts to 190 to 210 foot-pounds. Important: when attaching a new rotor to the head unit, use only new SAF-specified connection bolts. Bolts must be clean and free from oil and grease.